All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Hey, before we start, I just want to say that we finally did it. We received our silver button for 100,000 subscribers. We want to thank everyone.
Thank you so much.
Anyway, Chef Dom is going to show you how to make a demi-glace that's going to turn your steak dinners into something that you've never experienced before. Anyway, it's silky, it's rich, it's just unbelievable.
Fresh stock, homemade stock.
Yeah. All right, let's get cooking.
Okay, we got all our ingredients for here for our homemade beef stock. We have carrots, celery, onions, garlic, salt, peppercorns, bay leaves. We have some beef marrow bones, a piece of chuck roast. If we needed, a little bouillon base, tomato paste, and olive oil. We're gonna fry our meat first, a little bit in the pan, and then take it out and put our vegetables in there. And also too, we got a little cream sherry because we're gonna make a sauce for our beautiful steaks today. All right, first we're gonna season our meat with salt and pepper. All right, we're gonna put some olive oil in here to get this going a little bit. I actually wanted to do that side. But I can season this stuff. Yeah.
Salt and pepper the other side.
Salt and pepper the other side. Put that onions in there. Yeah. I don't want it to cool down with the oil. Also, too, what we're gonna do after I saute the veggies in here, after the meat's done, we're gonna put it in a sheet pan, and we're just gonna put all of our, onions and everything in there, and bake it in the oven for like on high for about 30-40 minutes, and then we put it in the water in the pot. We're cooking for about 4-5 minutes on one side. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, guys, we're going to cut our onions and stuff. We're going to do a really rough cut. We've got some beautiful garlic here. We're just going to smash these up, cook it all together.
So how did you serve this at the restaurant?
Okay, we use the demi-glace for of course, a lot of steak specials we had, like ribeyes and New York strips, and we always had the filet on the menu, but we did garlic mushrooms with that. And sometimes we had a request for demi on top of that, which was really good, on top of the garlic mushrooms.
Oh, yeah.
It was really good. And I did do one fish. I did the tuna with a lime demi-glace in it. Getting there. Yeah. I'm only going to use a couple of carrots. I'll eat those. Same thing with the carrots.
Rough cut.
Yeah.
How's it going there? Yeah.
I got carrots in my mouth. Sorry. It looks good. I think we're ready for the next step.
All right.
With our meat and bones and fry. Oh my God. We're going to fry our veggies. very flavorful. Onions, garlic. Okay.
Are you going to use the deglaze?
I am. I'm going to use cream sherry. The Demi-Glace. All right, we're going to add a little salt to this also. Peppercorns. And bay leaves. You don't want to go too much. Bay leaves are strong. 3 small leaves are good.
Yeah. Now this demi-glace, it could be used for not only steak, but also like pork, duck, poultry, right?
Yeah, especially duck.
Right.
Ooh, smoking on duck.
Right.
You can use it on it. You know what, man?
Even mashed potatoes, I bet it would be
Of
good.
course, man. All right, we're going to put our tomato paste in here because I'm going to what I'm going to do is, this is what I'm going to do. We're going to put this on top of here and roast it.
Very nice.
Let me see if it's good.
Nice.
I'm going to put a little more cream sherry in there just to get that beautiful taste off the bottom. Look at the color of that sauce.
Oh, it's beautiful. All right, ready for the oven.
All right, we're gonna put this in the oven, guys. I'm gonna leave it in there for about maybe 45 minutes, 30 or 40, whatever, 30 to 45 minutes on 500.
Right. All right, we'll be back.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna pull this out now. I hope I don't burn my hands with these damn towels. Let me get out of the way, quick, just in case. Look at that. Okay, now we're gonna put everything in there. Juice, veggies.
All right, so we'll let that boil for about how long?
Yeah, we're gonna keep checking on it. Let's say, normally the bigger pot, like the pot that was like 3-4 times the size at the restaurant, we would let it go for like 15 hours, but this is a small pot, so.
Yeah. All right, we'll be back.
Yes, sir. All right. This has been going for what, about 45 minutes now?
Oh, yeah.
It still has a while, but, and also too, if it starts to reduce too much, just add more water to it.
Nice.
And let it cook for, you know, but I think we probably got about another hour at least
All right.
to go. But look at that, how rich and beautiful
Oh, yeah.
that is. Look at that.
Really nice. Oh, beautiful. All right.
All right, guys, we're ready to strain this. Look at that. This has been cooking probably close to 3 hours.
Nice.
But it's perfect.
Oh, yes. It smells unbelievable.
Now we're gonna strain it, and then we're gonna finish everything. Put the rest of the stuff when we heat it up in a pan right before we put it on the steaks.
See that meat?
And this meat is for something else. We got New York strips for our
For our Demi-Glace.
sauce. Yeah. The meat's falling apart.
I know. I take those bones out. Did I ever mention that Chef Dom was rated one of the top chefs of Fort Worth? Yeah, when was that, Dom?
2007.
Yeah, a long time ago.
Shit, man.
His restaurant was also rated as one of the best steaks in Fort Worth.
Yeah. By a food critic that I got to know in Fort Worth from the Fort Worth paper was his name was Bud Kennedy.
Oh.
Nice guy. Now I saved the carrots because I like to eat the carrots. So actually everything in here, but a lot of people don't. Or you could like get all the bones and everything out of there if you want. And if you have one of those hand blenders, just blend it all up and then run it through the strainer.
That's a good idea.
Get all the pieces and make sure you don't have any bones in there.
Yeah. All right.
But anyway, we'll strain the rest of this.
Okay.
Now we're gonna put this in here.
Perfecto.
Ooh, baby.
Oh, look at that sauce. Oh, yeah.
So
All
rich
right.
looking and
We're gonna finish it off now. What are you gonna do now?
yeah. Well, we're just gonna do a little bit for. I just need a small saute pan. We're just gonna do enough for the steaks,
right.
and then you can get this really cooled down really well. Then you can put it in containers and put it in the freezer and just take it out as you need it.
Oh, perfect. All right, whenever you're ready.
Okay, we're gonna make our sauce now from the beef stock. Basically, I'm just gonna add a little heavy cream and some butter and maybe a little more salt and pepper.
That's it.
And that's it. You know, just, when you try the stock as it's boiling down, if it needs more salt, put a little more salt in it. Or you, like I said, you can use the bouillon base, which I didn't even have to use.
Nice.
It has enough flavor to it. Because I seasoned everything, the vegetables, the meat.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're gonna put a little heavy cream in there. I'm going to put a nice chunk of butter in there too. It's easy. Now I'm going to let it boil. I'm going to let it boil a little bit and get a little thick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but first I'm going to taste it now.
All right.
See what it tastes like, because the cream has no salt in it and it's unsalted butter. So let's see what it tastes like.
How is it, Chef?
It's good.
Yeah.
Plus, I am going to add a little more salt to it.
You're gonna add salt?
A little bit.
Okay.
And then this is going to be ready. Let it cook for a couple of minutes and
we're gonna
get a little thick.
Start cooking these steaks.
Throw them steaks on. All right, we got a pan going here. Gonna put our we seasoned our steaks already with salt and pepper. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put these in.
What kind of steaks are they?
Looks like New York strip to me.
We're cooking about 4 minutes.
About 3 or 4 minutes on each side for a medium rare.
Oh, perfect sear. Oh man, look at that. Perfect. Oh well. All right. Let those rest for about 4 minutes.
All right, we're gonna cut these up. There we go. Now that's a perfect medium rare.
That's beautiful.
Guys, we're gonna get our sauce on here now.
Oh man, look at that. That's perfect. Nice and thick. Wow.
It's time to eat.
All right, let's test out this beautiful steak.
Oh. Go ahead, grab some, get you some.
Grab a few pieces here. We didn't make any side dishes because we just made another video.
We already ate.
Eating carbonara, so now we're eating meat.
And we're eating again.
Man, the sauce is fantastic. Oh, man, a piece of that bread. All right, moment of truth. Wow.
I will get.
Delicious. I mean, this demi-glace really gives you a whole different type of experience eating a steak. I mean, the beefiness and the silky texture of the meat, of the sauce, is a game changer. Mm.
It's really great on crispy duck too.
Oh yeah. Anyway, we want to thank our subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, just hit that little subscription button down there and hit that bell, and you'll be notified every time we have a new recipe. We already have 325 recipes out there right now,
Yep.
and counting. Anyway, thanks again. We appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next recipe.
Thank you.
This demi-glace, demi-glace?
Glaze.
It's glace. Oh, it's glace. Glace.
Whatever.
G-L-A-C-E.
It's my accent. You want me to change my accent?
Anyway.